When you are born of God, His word becomes your nature. I will give you 3 scriptural explanations for it. Number 1, when you are born again, you are born by the word of God. 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 23. Having been born again, not of corruptible seed, but incorruptible, through the word of God, which lives and abides forever. Number 2, when you are born again, the seed or nature or life of God enters you. 1 John chapter 3, verse 9. Whoever has been born of God does not sin, for his seed remains in him, and he cannot sin because he has been born of God. Number 3, when you are born again, you become the epistle or word of Christ. 2 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 3. Clearly, you are an epistle of Christ, ministered by us, written not with ink, but by the Spirit of the living God, not on tablets of stone, but on tablets of flesh, that is, of the heart. What then will be a manifest evidence that you are born of God? You will have a strong appetite for His word. You will be a zealous learner and doer of His word. There is no way you can dislike or despise the word of God if you are truly born again.